She has nearly 400,000 followers. She gets paid thousands of dollars per post by brands like Amazon and Razer. She loves fitness, gaming, and traveling. There is just one catch: she isn't real. Meet Aitana Lopez, a 26-year-old fitness model from Barcelona who is currently making up to $11,000 a month. Today, we are diving into how a creative agency built a fake person, why brands are ditching human influencers for her, and the dark truth behind her massive success. In mid-2023, a Spanish creative agency called The Clueless was facing a massive problem. Human influencers and models kept canceling shoots, delaying campaigns, and driving up costs. The agency was losing money fast. So the founders, Ruben Cruz and Diana Núñez, decided to create their own model. One who never sleeps, never complains, never gets sick, and never misses a deadline. They used advanced AI generation tools to design a pink-haired, fitness-loving Scorpio named Aitana. How do you make people care about a collection of pixels? The secret isn't just high-tech software, it's psychological storytelling. Every week, the agency holds a meeting to plan Aitana's life. They decide what she will do that week. The agency holds a meeting to plan Aitana's life. They decide what she will do that week, what cities she will visit, and what she's feeling. They use a mix of AI image generation and expert Photoshop work. They place her digital face and body into real-world backgrounds of Barcelona, gyms, and cafes. They give her a fierce, outgoing personality so followers connect with her, just like a real person. And the strategy works flawlessly. Aitana has become a massive cash cow, pulling in up to €10,000 a month. But where does the money come from? First, sponsorships. Huge international brands pay her roughly $1,000 per post to feature their products. Second, exclusive content platforms like FanView, where fans pay a monthly subscription fee to see more private photos. She is proving that in the creator economy, you don't even need a pulse to build a multi-six-figure business. But Aitana's success has sparked a massive wave of criticism. Critics point out that her hypersexualized, completely flawless physique pushes unrealistic beauty standards to a dangerous extreme, especially for young girls. There is also an economic fear. If AI models can do the job for a fraction of the cost, what happens to real human models, photographers, and makeup artists who rely on this industry to survive? Her creators argue they are just mirroring the already heavily filtered, fake lifestyle of human influencers. Aitana Lopez is just the beginning of a massive shift in social media. Are AI influencers the future of marketing, or are they a threat to real human creativity? Drop a comment below and let me know, would you follow an AI model? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the digital future. See you next time.